Hello everyone. Uh, I'm here with another simulation on uh, Proteus. I have designed a Warbler. Warbler is an electronic tone generator that produces a modulated sound uh, like a bird warbler or a police siren. And the tone goes up and down repeatedly, and it uses two oscillators. They act. I'm using a 555 timer IC as an oscillator, or they act as a Astable multivibrators. So uh, how it works? This timer is used for generating the main tone, a higher frequency, and this one is used for modulating the tone in a low frequency. And I can change the tone using two different potentiometers here. I have one potentiometer here and another potentiometer. Number of capacitors and resistors are connected, and my output is uh, given to the speaker. The speaker is going to generate certain type of noise or sound, and we can change that tone by changing the potentiometer value. I will simulate it for you. Okay, this is one type of tone. Let me change the potentiometer value, like make it into 5 kilo ohms, and yep. I want to change this one. You can hear the difference, right? Okay, this is just a simple model, and which represents like a police siren or uh, some alarm or something like that. Yep. Thank you for watching.